Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to publish on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen we have the projects, quick recordings, the AI speakers and templates, and the workspace. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have your profile and the new project button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and publish on Descript. So firstly, of course, you need to go and create your new project. So go to new project, choose a video or an audio project. It depends on you, of course. And then you need to, in the top right corner on the interface, click on publish button. So you have the publish button here, the black button, and you'll see several options for where you can publish your project. So basically, select the platform you want to publish. You can choose from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, or Descript's own web link. Depending on the platform, you may be able to adjust various settings such as privacy, resolution, and other export options. If you choose a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, you need to sign into your account and grant Descript the necessary permission. For platforms like YouTube, you can add metadata such as title, description, tags, and thumbnail before publishing. Once everything is set up, click the Publish or Upload button to publish your project. Descript will handle the upload process and provide you with a link once it's done. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.